Pre-authorization timeouts protect your customers' prepaid fuel purchase by setting a time limit on how long their dispenser stays authorized after they pay. Let's say a customer prepays for fuel inside the store, but takes too long getting back to the dispenser or leaves without actually dispensing gas. The pre-authorization times out, preventing other customers from accidentally pumping the prepay fuel into their vehicle. Passport Point of Sale lets you customize the length of your pre-authorization timeout by going to the manager's workstation. Tap Setup, Forecourt, then Dispenser Options. Select the dispenser by double-clicking and enter the pre-authorization timeout in seconds. Tap Update List and repeat the process for each dispenser. Once complete, tap Save and you're done. Just another way Passport form fits to your forecourt and your business.